Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive, Dollar Tree, a massive Shaw haul. It's a long time coming and I haven't placed an order in such a long time. So finally the day has come. Everything has come in, nothing is broken. So we're having a really good day. So finally, I'm ready to share the products that I picked up. If you want to see the products that I repurchased that I love, that I cannot live without, as well as the new products that they added to the website, just keep on watching. Why don't we start off with the Miscellaneous products, which is just random things that I saw on the site that I definitely needed. This is one of them that's really random. OKI on the site. And this is a plastic bag dispenser. It's a mesh hanging bag to store and organize and dispense plastic bags. So I do collect plastic bags because I'm always interchanging the bags in my room for like my little trash can. So I do collect a lot of like bags. As you guys know, I go to Dollar Tree a lot, so I accumulate quite a bit of plastic bags that I want to reuse and recycle and such. So I found this on the site. You just kind of hang it and you throw in the bags in here, and then at the bottom you can grab them once you're ready to do so. So I think this is definitely going to come in handy. Right now I'm just using a random like pulling bag. It's just random, it's not working for me. So finally I can use something that's actually like made for plastic bags. So this is gonna be really cute, hanging from my door. So I'm gonna go ahead and finally put this to use, girl. I had been eyeing this out for quite a while. I just hadn't picked it up, and it's not super expensive either. I think it's like $2 or something on the website, and it's a really cute black color. It's also mesh and it's see-through as well, so cute. I went ahead and repurchased this product. You guys know, if you follow me, I purchased this in the past, and it was a really cute like decor piece. I did want to use this when I went to Vegas. Completely forgot to take it with me, but this is the A2O Studio Bath Balm, and this is the Kiss Me Cherry Blossom one, and it's just a pair of lips. Beautiful. It's one that it smells amazing, and I just love lips right now, so I'm probably gonna just use it as decor again until I can use it in the future. But this is so cute, it's adorable, and it was $155 on the site. I did go ahead and buy a pair of earrings. I saw these from M Melody, and they just look like those teardrop shaped earrings that were like really popular. I didn't think they were going to be this big, but they were black, so this kind of just goes with everything. So I went ahead and purchased these. Honestly, I haven't opened them, so let's go ahead and see how they look outside the packaging. Okay, there's a look at those. They are like plastic and they're like matte vibes, so we're gonna see how they look on the ears. But yeah, cute. Now this is, I guess it can be considered a repurchase because I do have the pink version of this perfume, but I wanted to pick up another version because these actually work out so well, and I love having them in my car for whenever I want a little spritz, you know, little vibe to smell good. This is from A2O Lab, and this is a Velvet Dreams perfume. It's a cute little travel size vibe. It was $3 on the site. Let's say $3.99, and they're really cute, like travel friendly size as well. There's a look at this one. This one's Velvet Dreams. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, this one, the cap is not really staying on there, but still, this is so cute. And again, $3, it's a steal. And they have various scents and stuff. I honestly just went based on the color of the packaging, but this one, honestly, it smells so good. I'll have the notes on the screen because I honestly don't remember, but it smells so good. Really nice and clean vibes. That's adorable. More Miscellaneous product before we get into self-care. I went ahead and purchased these press-on nails. These are from Chloe Nail, and it comes with 12 pieces each. As you guys know, I like to buy the 24 pack. So I went ahead and purchased 2 of these, and they're just these gold press-on nails, and they're a looks like almond shaped nail. Yeah, so I'll definitely be rocking these for New Year's. These are pre-glued. You guys know how I feel about that. Okay, interesting. So they are pre-glued. Didn't even notice that. Let's start off with the first product. This is actually a repurchase. This is the Papa Sweet Pout Sugar Lip Scrub, and I got the one in coffee because I've been in desperate need of a good lip scrub. It's really hard to find one that's actually scrubby, because it's either too creamy with a little bit of scrub or like too I don't know, like it's just like I haven't found the best lip scrub, but this one always tends to work out for me. What does it look like? Someone already put their finger in there. So yeah, I like to scrub my lips in the shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that to there. I also went ahead and repurchased this because I couldn't remember if I still had it or not. Also just to use with that lip scrub. This is the Lip and Blackhead Exfoliator product. It's a little tool from this site. And again, it has a side for blackheads and a side for lip scrub. I'm just going to use it for a lip scrubber, to be honest. And this was $1 on the website. So I am definitely going to use this, especially because I always have nails on, like press-on nails. I don't like to get the scrub underneath that. So yeah, you always need a cute like applicator vibe. I purchased one of the AOA Skin Chin Lifting Mask. This is the V-Line Shaping Contour and Sculpting Mask, which looks like so. I only picked up one because I want to see how it works. But you guys know I have a whole collection of masks in my room, so we're gonna see. Hopefully I can use this soon. So they also did end up adding some more like skincare products to their AOA Studio Skin line. We have their Glow Serum. It has peptide and hyaluronic acid. As I mentioned, oh, that's a different video, but I did a get ready with me using some new products that are on my face now, and I mentioned that I haven't been doing my skincare at all for a long time, so I really do need to get back on that. So I did pick up the Glow Serum, which is gonna be really cute. It comes with a cute little pump, so hopefully this makes me want to use it. I don't know. And then I also picked up the Pore Cleansing Oil, which looks really good, and this has green tea and hyaluronic acid. It's meant to nourish and calm the skin. So yeah, I definitely want to use these and see my thoughts. Have you used them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But yeah, I picked up 2 of their AOA Studio Skin line products, a cleanser and a glow serum. So now let's get into the makeup and beauty products. We have the A2O Lab Silky Cloud Sponge. I saw this on the site and it looked so cute. You guys know I live for this neon green color. And this is an extra soft ruby cell makeup puff, and you're meant to use it wet or dry. I'm definitely going to be using it dry, girl. But it was $2, and this is their teardrop shade. It's for cushion, foundation, and more. Ooh. There's some information on the back as well. It is hygienic, non-expanding, bouncy, gentle, slim, reusable, durable, anti-cracking. Okay, cool. Let's get in here. I'm gonna touch it. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. That is such a beautiful color. Ooh, it's like, ooh, girl, I'm about to drop it. It's so soft. It literally feels like a cloud. That's so cute. Cannot wait to use this. Yes. Also did repurchase the pawpaw sponges. As you guys know, I purchased some like dupes on Temu. They're not great. They're super hard. Not the greatest sponges, to be honest, so I had to repurchase another pack of my fave pawpaw sponges. These are the Wonder Blender, and they're the teardrop blenders. Make sure you're buying the normal size and not the minis, because they do look similar on the website. So yeah, so it does come with 6. I already went ahead and popped this open, and I'm already using one of them now. Let's get into repurchases for my makeup, because we have a few. Yes, we have a couple of the AOA Studio Eyes on Me liquid liners. I went ahead and repurchased 3 colors. We have the Vivid liquid liner in the shade, oh no, I think this one's in YOLO. The sticker came off, but yeah, I have a feeling this is YOLO because I use this one all the time. These are really pigmented, girl. I love these liners, especially when I do a black liner like this. I'll just go right over top for a little pop of color with these, and they work amazing. So I needed a new yellow one. Also did go ahead and repurchase Lovebirds, which is the pink tone. Again, these are beautiful. Love them. They're super vibrant, and they just add a little extra something to my looks. And then we have the shade Ooh La La, which is the white. Again, just needed these again in my collection. Love them. Definitely recommend them for you if you haven't tried them out. AOA Studio Artista liquid liner in the shade Black. I have all the other colors except for Black. I don't know why. I've had it in the past. I just never really repurchased it, but these are amazing as well. They come in various like colorful tones, like green. We have blue. There's purple. There's various colors, and they work amazing on the eye. So definitely recommend. So I just went ahead and purchased the original black version, and then I purchased 5 of my fave powders from A2O Studio. Literally 5 of these. So these are the A2O Studio Flawless Press Powders. Girl, you know if you know. I go through these like water. So these are all in the shade M1. These are amazing. They're silky and they work amazing on my skin. They also keep me matte throughout the day. I have oily skin, as you guys know. So yeah, I needed to stock up. Literally about 5 because I do not want to run out in the new year. From there, we have all new products. So let's get into those. We have this, which is really random, but I saw they had the A2O Studio Pucker Up Lip Plumping Potion. Looked really intriguing. I'm not gonna be able to swatch this because it's a plumping product, but girl, let me know if you've tried this on your lips. It smells really good. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to try this out, and it matches my makeup, so cute. So I picked up the Magical Girl lip stain. As you guys know, I've been picking up more and more lip stains. However, I'm not a fan of a lip stain. I just love a good liquid lipstick vibe. It's gonna be on there. It's pigmented. You don't have to layer it. My sister, however, has really been into lip stains, so I think I'm gonna end up giving this to her. But this is in the shade Shion, S-H-I-O-N. And it's a really beautiful color. However, again, I'm just not really into lip stains at the moment. They're not my vibe, so I think I'm gonna end up giving this to my sister. I'm gonna throw it over there for now. We have 2 products from yes, 2 products from A2O Lab on the site. The first one is this primer balm. I had to have it. I cannot believe it was $4 for this little thing, but it is what it is. This is the A2O Lab Silky Pro Face Primer, and it's teeny tiny. It was $4, which is wild. Their prices are going up, girl. But I wanted to try it out. It is looking like, yeah, just a balm primer like the e.l.f. one. Oh, it's a little rough. Oh, yes. Ooh, okay. It's a little hard, like you have to get it going with your like skin. I did like take some off with my nail on the end, and that actually worked well. So cool. Interesting. Cannot wait to try this out. It is kind of like dry at first, but again, we'll have to try it on the skin and see our thoughts. Have you used it? Let me know in the comments down below. Does it work? What's going on? What are the vibes with this product? So I went ahead and picked up this, which is the Lip and Cheek Cream Blush in Cranberry, and this was $3 on the website. It honestly looks smaller on the site and it looks bigger in person, which is great. So this is buildable, long-wearing, creamy, and layerable, and it does not have any alcohol, silicones. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. There's a look at that product. Again, Lip and Cheek Cream Blush. I think I'm going to use it more as a cream blush, to be honest, than a lip product, but there's a look at that color. Also, I really love that like thick plastic that they use for the products. Living for that. Let's swatch her. Ooh. Yes. Oh, that color's stunning. And they also had, I believe, different colors in this product, and since it is a lip product, they made a more buildable vibe, so that's really cute. Definitely gonna go in my cream drawer, but look at that packaging. It's really cute. Also have the A2O Studio Hue Daze Blush Balm, which is another blush, but I want to try this out as well. It comes in a little tub, and this one is in the shade Plum Jelly. I don't want to stick my finger in there, but I will grab some with my tool. It says it's a blush, but honestly it's looking more like a glowy blush vibe, or even a highlight actually, now that I look at it. So I think I may use this as a highlight moment once we do that get ready with me video, but looks really nice. Okay, Shamase has really been stepping it up with their products, but also been stepping up the price, girl. They're getting a little wild with it. So I went ahead and picked up this. This is the Inner Self Color Correcting Press Powder, and this is from the A2O Studio line, and this one here is in Peach Silk. They did have a couple other shades available on the website, but I thought this was the one that looked the more like wearable one for me. This color correcting, so there's a look at that. Again, Peach Silk, and it does have 4 different colors. Let's see how it looks once you like swirl your finger in there. Ooh. Okay, so it does blend in rather quickly, and it looks like the color is gonna work rather well. So we'll definitely have to see once we try this out on the face how it works. And with that, we're getting into the inner self little line that they came out with. So we have a couple of these color correcting face primers. There's a look at the 3. And I also bought their other face primer. Yes, so they all have different little jobs. So the first one is the Inner Self Color Correcting Primer. It is purple. You guys know I love my monochromatic looks, so I love that these come in different colors. So again, color correcting primer. We also have their hydrating primer, which is the blue one. And then we have the glow primer, which is this orange one. And lastly, for their new primers, they added this one, which is their Youthful Glow Primer, also from the Inner Self line. I live for this packaging. This is stunning. And this has a vitamin C. It hydrates, softens skin, good for dryness, fine line, and wrinkles. Tells you that on the back. And then each one of these also has their little, you know, moment on the back as well. So I love the packaging. I love the colors. These are going to be really fun to use. And with that, that's actually the last product of today's haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really excited that I finally got to film this video. Again, these products have been sitting there. I cannot wait to use them on the face. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried any of these products in the past? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.